Hello viewers, welcome back to MuleSoft-TechZone, and this is in continuation of our CurieTech AI series. And as I promised before, I will be making some playlist on individual agents here. So we have like coding agents, testing agents, document agents, and coding insights and migration agents. So today I will be starting with coding agents series, and I will be discussing about integration generator. Before going into deep, I would like to ask you guys to try it out. Like, it's you can sign up for free for 7 days, I guess. So once you sign up, you can go to home page, and I would like to show you something. So you can go click on settings button here, and you can see your details over here, like when, and also like all the sessions will be like shown here. When it comes to workspace, you can use your personal workspace, or you can see there are multiple options. You can select the which runtime, Java runtime you wanted to use, or what is the Maven version, all this stuff. And if you have for your project specific thing, if you have any settings.xml, you can always upload your settings.xml here as well. Then coming to the repository, right? So you will be able to integrate your CurieTech AI with your GitHub or GitLab. I don't want to show you because like currently I have my client details here. So but if you want to click on connect, you can click on like connect via auth, or you can add API keys here so that you will be able to connect to your GitHub or GitLab. Or you can also like go with like local repositories. You can currently have like, you can click on add repositories and choose one location. I have used like CurieTech here, select it. So in that way, it says like repository added successfully. This is for your local thing. And there are something called indexes which I am not yet aware of, but if you go to the billing, yes, there is like current plan and all this stuff what it needs. What, free trial, we call it as freemium, okay, and it's like 14 days currently, or it is for 14 days or 25 tasks. Each task is something like this. On my left side, this is like each task. All right, and there is an enterprise version of that. For that you need to contact them, reach out to them, and yep, you will get the details about the pricing. Now without wasting time, as I said, like this is my first video on coding agents, and it is about integration generator. So here the description itself says like create flow code from flow specifications and flow diagram. So let's see. There is also already like try example. I told you like that is like one of the good things. Like if you're not aware of like what this coding agent does, there are some prompts already, you can try with this example. For example, they have like description like the you need to create an API where the flow, whatever flow you are creating, it fetches the product information from MySQL database and order information from Salesforce, and what needs to be done. So these are all prompts, okay, and you can give your connector configuration, like what is your password, your database name, all this step, and you can explain in detail like what your flow has to do. All right, so what I have done is like instead of using the same description, I have tried my own. Please note that you can the flow can be generated using description or using diagrams or using both, so you can just play around with that. And when you are doing this stuff, try to whenever it is generating, it will generate based upon the runtime settings that you are selecting. So please make sure, if you are, for example, if you are upgrading to Java 11 or Java 17, please select this version so that they will generate the configuration files or the flows accordingly. And if you have any settings.xml specific to your organization, please do that so that the flow diagrams will be generated. Flows will be generated. Now I will cancel it. I will try my own thing. Okay, start my own. Click on this. First I will go with the description. So I have some description already ready. I kept ready. So I'm just pasting it. So it's more or less the same thing which I have used. So I'm saying like the flow fetches the product information from Oracle database and order information from the Snowflake table. Okay, the flow is invoked with HTTP GET request, like using this endpoint, and no input payload is required. Like whenever I trigger something, it should like fetch the information from both Oracle database and Snowflake, and then combine those both information, and then send it to the whoever is like requesting the endpoint. Like the response should be like that. So I have all this, like I am saying, like the flow is triggered by http get request, like product orders. First thing, it should like fetch request both from Oracle and Snowflake in parallel, and combine those results and return that to the requester. Okay, the caller, http caller, this is my request. So what I need to do is, like, I will click on submit after I have my description cleared. So this will take a while because it is processing your request, and it you have submitted your task. The task is already in progress, so it will run. But I have already ran this, and I got a response that got generated. So this is how it looks currently, the integration generator. This is how the response looks like. It has the flow implementation, and if there are any like configuration details like your property file, it is like this. And then like pom dependencies, if you need to add anything like this, it will show like all these details. It will give all these details, and now you are ready to put them into your project. Now I have spoken with the team, the product team from CurieTech AI. I asked, like, you have done everything, almost everything, which is super cool. It would be also great if you can just provide a downloadable jar file or downloadable mule project, so that we can just go to Anypoint Studio and just import that project. That is what I have requested, and the team is really working on that part. I think they have it all on their roadmap, so soon you will be seeing that feature. But for now, what you need to do is, like, you got your flow implementation, you got your all this connection configurations and all, and pom dot dependency. All that you need to do is go to your flow and add all of this. Go to your project, create a mule project. I will show you how to do this. So click on mule, create a mule project. I'll say like CurieTech AI, select your runtime version, click on finish. Please make sure like all these responses, the flows that were generated are based upon the runtime settings that you have provided initially. Now I will just copy this flow implementation stuff and go to like configuration XML and replace everything with here. Okay, and if you can see, like, a flow is generated, I'll keep like this as is, and you can see here like these connectors are grayed out because we haven't added them into our project. So that's the reason it was showing like what are the pom dependencies that are required here. So I will copy them, go to pom.xml and go to dependency tab here and paste it and click on save. It will try to download this. You can see like my connectors are downloaded now. So see how much effort it is reducing for a developer, right? You can see all the best practices. It is having the display names properly in real time. I know like most of the developers don't follow this kind of standards, having the proper display names and all this stuff. You can see like each connector is having a very proper display name, like get product orders, what is this logger about. Even without clicking, we can say like, hey, this is the start of the flow. And then I requested like you need to fetch the information both from Oracle database and Snowflake, right, to fetch the information. That's the reason it is using scatter gather, and you can see the display name as like fetch products and orders. So these things might be like smaller things for you guys, but it is very very important when you hand over the project, or if you're working on a project which is already developed. So display names are really really important. And it also has like error handling here. So you can see here error and all this stuff, and it's saying error in blah 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 flow, and it is trying to print the error dot description. Now if you go to the configuration here, you can see a SQL query is already there. We are not passing any input, so it will select all the products. And if you can edit this, you can see this everything is being like externalized. All these properties are externalized, and even like oracle.host port.user, you can see that the flow constants are created here. So what you can do is you can just copy them and create a property file like in source bin resources, like new file, some test dot. This is for just demo purpose we are giving that, and you can just paste it. Only one thing probably what you need to do is like you can just click on like create and say like configuration properties and give that one here. All right. So what it is doing again, like this is not a complete project for you. There are some things like uh, what do you say, like you need to work upon, but you can see like the basic structure, the display names, almost 60% or I can say like 70% of the work for this use case has already been done. All that you need to do is like fix the issues, like for example like configuration properties, because like I haven't given in my prompt asking for that. Probably it will generate if your prompt is more clear. Please note that your prompts have to be like accurate. Okay, so let me go if my task has been completed. Yes, the task here that I have created earlier has been completed. If you click on like copy and go back to your configuration.xml and paste it, more or less it would be the same. Yeah, it's the same, right? So this is super cool. Only one thing is like if it is like a downloadable mule project file or like archive file or like a jar file, we can just import it and do our stuff. All right. And yeah, this is like when I have requested like through description. But what if you have a flow diagram? You can do that as well, right? If you go to integration generator, click on start and my own. Let me try to pull up like a diagram here. So CurieTech, I have a flow diagram already created. So let me open this and let me try to show you the diagram here. Let me just pull up from the other screen. CurieTech. So this is my, not sure if I can just, yeah, oops, yeah. So this is my flow diagram that I was like that I have created. So I have a HTTP endpoint. I want to fetch information from Oracle database and Snowflake database and fetch the information from both and combine the result here and send the response to the HTTP caller. This is my flow diagram. Now you can see that I have uploaded. I am not giving any description here and I am clicking on submit. Again, because again, like considering the time, I have already created that and I will show you. This is the request that I have created uh, through the flow chart once. So let me just copy this, or if you can also like export. Again, this is also like giving you option to export as a HTML or like docs or something. You can always use this. And yeah, let me copy it, or let me check like what is the status here. It will take some time, but I have requested that before. So what I'll do is let me check if it is giving the same. Click on yes, because the document IDs will be different. So more or less, or like it's almost the same, whether it's through description or through flow diagram. If you have a flow diagram which is like accurate like this, and if you have like every information in that flow diagram, then you don't even need to write the prompts. You can just upload your flow diagram. It will generate the flows for you. Okay, this is super cool. I loved it personally. But yeah, just try it out. If you see any issues or if you have any suggestions, feel free to put in our comments. I will try to take these comments or feedback to the team so that they will work on that. But so far it looks great for me. So this is like let me try to like wait until this request is completed here. But while that is running, you can see like your request is being run here. But yep, today we have seen integration generator. So under coding agents, we have gone through integration generator. And we'll in my next video I will be showing about data view generator. I think most of you might have already tried to use chat gpt or copilot to put your input request and output request. So but how is it different with CurieTech AI, and how easy it is to like upload your inputs or samples or generate some samples, I will show in my next video. I hope you like this video. So yep, I think this is like still running, but I think this is I have already ran this task. And if you feel that there is one more thing I missed here, if you feel like anything needs to be added, you can always, I told you in my first video, like there will be a if you click on expand, there is a comment icon here. Most of you might not be probably it's too small to figure it out, but there will be an option to click on this comment and give your comment, say, hey, I want this data view to be changed, or there is a change in this thing. Or you can see like I don't want scatter gather. You can see like instead of scatter gather, I want to synchronously run Snowflake first, and then Oracle database next, and then combine results. So I can click on like regenerate, then there will be another task. It will start doing that. Okay, so that's how you can add the comments. You can see here, if you click on like see details here, it will show you like your user comment here. And yeah, you can see like my request is being regenerated here. Yeah. So yep, then it will create another for once this is done processing, it will create the uh, re, you know regenerated ones that you have requested. Yep, so far it looks good for me, so please try it out. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.